This is Avenue with Word Inquiry and I'm Tahir. Today the topic in our discussion in farm management practices is comparison between petrol and diesel engine. So let us discuss. In case of diesel engine, no carburetor is used, whereas in case of petrol engine, carburetor used. Next point, comparison ratio, compression ratio is 14 into 1 to 22 into 1, whereas in case of petrol engine, compression ratio is 5 into 1 into 8 into 1. Next point, in case of diesel engine, diesel is used as fuel, whereas in case of petrol engine, it may be petrol, gas or kerosene oil as fuel. Next point, air is sucked into the cylinder using suction stroke, whereas in case of petrol engine, mixture of fuel with air is sucked in cylinder using the suction stroke. Next point, in case of diesel engine, fuel injection pump or fuel injector is used, whereas in case of petrol engine, no fuel injection pump or injector use, only carburetor use. Next point, in case of diesel engine, fuel when came into the combustion chamber for burning, heat or compression is used, where in case of petrol engine, air fuel mixture compressed in combustion chamber to ignite with electric spark plug. Next point, thermal efficiency is 32 to 36%, whereas in case of petrol engine, thermal efficiency is 25 to 32%. In case of diesel engine, engine weight per horsepower is high, where in case of petrol engine, engine weight per horsepower is comparatively low. Next point, in case of diesel engine, operating cost is low, where in case of petrol engine, operating cost is high. The last point of comparison between petrol and diesel engine is, in case of diesel engine, compression pressure inside the cylinder is 35 to 45 kilogram per centimeter square at 500 centigrade temperature, whereas in case of petrol engine, compression pressure is 6 to 10 kilogram per centimeter square under the temperature 250 centigrade. This was all about the comparison between petrol and diesel engine. Thank you.